Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you a average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channels. So thanks for your continued support and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. Yes, you know, we always say at the Jamaica Young Police channel to always look at your LCD, you know, whenever we're starting a video because, you know, from there you'll get the context of where we're going. So it has brought to our attention, you know, we have, we have people who still, you know, have great amount of love for we and respect, so they would share things with us from time to time. People who are very, very close to Vybz Kartel, even tell me about even the killing of Captain and others and Jomo and all kind of thing. Hey, Vybz Kartel, may I tell you, you know, he's a dangerous guy. But anyway, we're not telling nothing about him and him killing today and him thing. Because we have a whole heap of things about him, even with Black Rhino, the artist, though. Yeah. So we are telling, so here's why Vybz Kartel started to bleach his skin. And the artist whose complexion he envied. The man bad mind, the man for him complexion. I saw him man start, cause man I say boy, Vybz Kartel I say boy, cause the man complexion and all of these things. So low self-esteem and self-hatred are deeply interconnected emotionally and psychologically states that can profoundly impact an individual's well-being and quality of life. Vybz Kartel is a man who have low self-esteem. Yeah man, low self-esteem refers to a negative perception of oneself and lack of confidence in one's abilities and worth. It's often manifests as negative self-image. Individuals with low self-esteem like Vybz Kartel may see themselves in a consistently negative light, focusing on perceived flaws and shortcomings. As much as I see him go up on stage and perform and, you know, you don't know, so the low IQ people, them, how them behave, you know. Him, although Vybz Kartel have them in him and him call him the sheep nation. Yeah, self-doubt. Yeah, man. They may, you know, Vybz Kartel doubt his ability and feel inadequate compared to others, leading to fear and of failure or avoidance of challenges. So that's why I have to do all kind of things, say, for gain attention because of, you know, him have that inside of him, you understand? Low self-esteem can contribute to social isolation or difficulty forming and maintaining relationships, as he as an individual may fear rejection or judgment. So that's the reason why anytime Vybz Kartel and someone have some form of disagreement, he make them kill them. That's it. Because him knows him hate when people reject him and people put him down. So that is his way of show us a boy, oh, him not inadequate, but he's inadequate. That's why him behave like that. You know, Vybz Kartel, you know, show that he has low self-esteem and set unrealistic high standard for himself, leading to constant self-criticism and disappointment. So that's why anything him just latch out and behave arrogant and him quick for fight. Whether or not you want to know, Vybz Kartel, you know, persistent feeling of inadequacy can contribute to mental health issues such as depression or anxiety disorder. So that's what they are saying now, you know, people that in a Vybz Kartel circle, they might try to say, yeah, Vybz Kartel have some mental problems, so, and that's why I'm too sick now for try him. You understand? No, we don't believe in that. So factors contributing to low self-esteem include childhood experiences such as harsh criticism or neglect. So when Vybz Kartel was growing up on him thing there Waterford, them used to tell him when black and look like monkey. Yeah. I just saw it go that them say. Yeah, them say. Yeah, so when people used to tell him, I said, well, you're black and ugly and feel a monkey. So that's why that's one I think will help contribute to him for Bleach. And you know, social and cultural pressures, trauma, unrealistic societal standard, and ongoing stressors like academic or workplace challenges. Vybz Kartel is not a dunce boy, you know. You understand? No, I'm not dunce. Him one of the smartest artists them when they come on to education, and him, you know, whether him write it or not, but him very, very creative, you know. So factors contributing to low self-esteem include, as we tell you about him, childhood experiences, and you know, say him have self-hatred that go beyond low self-esteem, intense dislike, disgust, and even hatred towards himself. And this self-hatred him have for himself, you know, it internalized criticism. Vybz Kartel internalize negative messages from others, our society, leading to a perversive sense of unworthiness. So that's why I have to do things him want people to see him as being dominant. That's why him love the violence, because him internalize a self-hatred for himself. He's a man who suffer from guilt and shame. All because when him a grew up, the people them are Waterford tell him, oh, you're black and feel a monkey, and you understand. Even all the girl them in a same Waterford before him become this big thing on the dancehall scene, him couldn't even say enough of them skirt. Because they say him maga like monkey, and through him, you know, him have like hunchback and them thing there. And some people say hunchy and all kind of. So all of them something that help lead to him, you know, low self-esteem and him perceive inadequacy. So him have a deep-seated belief that is inherently flawed or unlovable. Yeah, man, and that's why, yeah, when him a growing up, Vybz Kartel a grow a Waterford, no girl in a Waterford, you know, would have give me time of day and them thing there, you know, cause you understand what I'm saying. I will tell you later on about him and Shorty, because, boy, I tell you. So, Vybz Kartel with him self-hatred, you know, engage in self-destructive behaviors or relationships, perpetuating a cycle of negative feelings. The man just, when you're there on Vybz Kartel, you just cannot have that positive feel, you know, that energy. It's just negativity, and you understand, and it's just a cycle that continue on, and the man just not change. The man, you know, him not uplift people around him, you know, because remember say the man, him not have no love for himself, you know, him have this self-hatred, you understand, and Kartel no grow up and get no love. So him feeling trapped in a cycle of self-loathing, and it lead to a sense of hopelessness. As much as him did financially successful, there was so many missing things out of his life. Emptiness, psychologically, you understand? And the possibility of change or improvement. So that's why I'm starting for Bleach. So yeah, as you look, so that's the man where him thing there, him eat, why him start bleaching, Sean Paul, the man, why the man start bleaching, Sean Paul. Yes, you understand. So addressing low self-esteem and self-hatred often involve therapy. Him should have just go and get some therapy, talk to one counselor and tell him, say, boy, me I grew up, them call me, say, boy, I'm a black like monkey, and through me mag, and them used to tease me, and it bother me, and you understand. So that's why him resort to violence. That a female that way lash out on how them treat him when him I grew up. You understand? And, where we can explore underlying causes, challenge negative thoughts, patterns, and develop a healthier self-perception and coping strategies. So all of them things would help him for build, self-esteem, building self-compassion, practicing mindfulness, and setting realistic goals, surrounding oneself with supportive relationships are also crucial in fostering positive self-esteem and reducing self-hatred. So that's why everywhere Vybz Kartel go to jail. Vybz Kartel was in America married and forget him green card. Him just love it colorism behavior and the dirty the color bunkers them in a car with man with illegal gun and all them something. And I saw him end up there and get deported to Jamaica. Boy, man, I'm not informer. All my for these come foreign, just hey, look here. You come up foreign and you tell them and say, hey, look here. In time me I do none of them things, no, but you don't want a certain kind of people around here, but because the man they love it corrosive behavior, because that's how way him know him to see like say boy, man if you have gun, a man if you kill people, a man if you shoot people, for make you have respect. That's not respect, man. Respect kind of time people see you and genuinely respect you as a person. You understand? But him not care about that. Cause him not really him smart but not really that smart. Him smarter than more that all of him thing there, him sheep nation people them, You understand? So that's why him know if he manipulate them, because he knows them are dummy. But I tell you that. And most of them, so I wish them them thinking and them not like anything you challenge them, and them not like when you tell them the truth. So that's why them might tell us say, oh, Addy and me daddy. But as Bounty Killer say, him no know teacher the bleacher. You understand? And that's why when him name Andre Blackman Brian say in a court say he my teacher. I can't tell him a jack word, but I tell you, hey, them criminal are easy the rasta. In a court the man I say he my teacher. Why I tell you? Yeah, so Vybz Kartel the only positive person he ever surround himself was Bounty Killer. And him do everything for, as we did in our video earlier, Bounty Killer said, boy, the man do everything and come from under him, him as him tutelage, you understand, because he was the one that was tutoring Kartel and the others, but Kartel unruly. And him say, boy, from Kartel go Bleach. Him say Black Kartel like good Kartel. Me never hear nothing like that. And the Bleach Kartel, him say him don't know the Bleach are the teacher. And at this the man start delve right down and start self-destruct. All because the man hatred down. You understand? So Vybz Kartel start bleaching his skin because he observed Sean Paul's international success in the dancehall scene and wanted to outshine him. So in doing so, he chose to engage in negative behavior. So Sean Paul, Sean Paul do no song about for kill nobody and them thing there, Everything what Sean Paul do, and all one a love song, a girl business, and a pay girl him sing about, and you understand, I make woman, jiggy and all kind of thing. And one thing with him and him choose the people them who him do song with and them thing there. And if you notice, the man do no song with all them man there, Yeah, man. So Vybz Kartel's decision to bleach his skin stem from his observation of Sean Paul international success with his lighter complexion. So Sean Paul is a white man and them thing there. Yeah. Sean Paul, with a lighter complexion. Sean Paul gave him widespread acceptance and acclaim, which Kartel believe contribute to his global appeal. So Sean Paul a bigger star than Vybz Kartel. Yeah. Vybz Kartel a bigger star amongst the low IQ people them. Sean Paul have a larger audience, world globally, because the people are intelligent and people have self-worth and self-respect, listen to love Sean Paul music. The people them when I know have low self-esteem and all of themselves, and them have self-hatred and them low themselves. Yeah, a Vybz Kartel them dig. So once you know say boy somebody a dig Vybz Kartel, you know say that somebody when I have nothing about them, you know, then I no self-esteem, no self-love, no self-respect, no anything. You understand? So him determined, so Vybz Kartel believes say boy because him know him say boy him kind talking say boy because Sean Paul a white boy, that's why him come on and him dominate the dancehall thing. So him say oh him not gonna do what Sean Paul do, he might do the opposite because him don't know say him say oh him know say the black people them are idiot and them thing there. So him I go carry them down a road like the pipe and so said so done. So determined to outshine his peers and achieve similar, if not greater recognition, Kartel began bleaching his skin. Yeah man, the man normalize something where Rasta used to burn fire upon. Hey look here, let me tell you how Rasta did see and them thing there. Mota Baruka first Rasta man to talk to a white man. Rasta used to, real Rasta, you know, when I talk about rental dread back in the days where the man them a man to go be upon the beach. When I talk them the man, we talk real Rasta. Rasta no Rasta no, you know, white woman and them thing there. And yeah, I just saw it when I call a woman me empress and them thing there. So that's why they tell us a Mota Baruka and a real Rasta. They tell us about Mota Baruka fake dread. That them tell you. I just saw it go. Yeah, but I tell you. You understand? So Kartel's actions reflect a deeper issue within the industry and society where lighter skin is often unfairly equated with success and desirability. So by altering his appearance, Kartel sought to align himself with this problematic standard, open to boost his career and visibility, in which it did. It worked. Yeah man, the bleaching work for the teacher man, the bleacher. So however, this decision led him down a path of negative behavior. Instead of focusing solely on his undeniable talent and music prowess, Kartel's pursuit of fame became entangled with controversial actions and decisions. His story is a powerful reminder of artists' pressure in the music industry and the length they might go to achieve success. It's also highlight the need for a shift in societal attitudes towards beauty and success, promoting a more inclusive and genuine appreciation of talent, irrespective of skin color. So him have a bleach and them thing, like him don't, but boy, him just take it down because Sean Paul have the thing them, and with the song with Sasha, you know, all of the dirty, I'm still in. So all of them thing there, you know, burn him, you know, because, yeah, him say, boy, it's a uptown youth, this, because Sean Paul do something where no other youth from uptown do, you know, apart from, you don't know, say the Damian Jr. gang Marley totally different, because Bob Marley's son, but even with him still, him have to market himself and work hard, him not just get it. You understand? You know, see, but, you know, so Mr. Vega said, put Sean Paul out there. Wouldn't not even know what between the two of them, why them fall out. But hey, we are going to do some, you know, think about it and find out, you understand? Yeah, so Vybz Kartel's decision to bleach his skin can be seen as a manifestation of deep-seated psychological issues influenced by societal pressures and personal insecurities. Skin bleaching is a complex and often dangerous practice, and understanding why someone might resort to it requiring exploring several vital factors. So look here, most people we know where bleach, them always end up with some form of problem. Them always have some problem with them blood. Yeah, them always some problem with them blood. So I just saw it go. So some of the vital factors, you have a thing we call colorism. Yeah, colorism in a many society, including Jamaica, lighter skin is often unfairly associated with beauty, success, and higher social status. Yeah, you know, that is so true, because, like, even with me and them thing there, you know, I experience it in a Jamaica and them thing there where them treat me like me a foreigner. Black people, you know, me I tell you, know, when them accost me, you know, man, they call me copper color boy and all kind of, yeah, and hey, look, what them used to do on them thing there, they make you feel like you're, hey, I want thing with the black people, them still doing, and they make you feel like you're a foreigner, you know, man, or you're alien, you know. I mean, I tell you, yeah, man, all the time you play a sport, me I last one, yeah, Till the entire now, them realize say me start dominate the thing. Yeah, man. At first, what me have to play all both. Yeah, man, cause I feed them ball and feed them bat or I feed them ball, you know. And then eventually, me start dominate the thing. You understand what I'm saying? And them say, oh, black is beauty and red is corruption, and you understand? Yeah, so them used to do it. So this preference of lighter skin can pressure individuals with darker skin to conform to these biased standards. Vybz Kartel may have felt compelled to lighten his skin and align with these societal preferences in quest for greater acceptance and success. So, you know, media in Jamaica, media have influence. The media frequently portray lighter skin as more attractive and desirable. Constant exposure to such imaginary imagery can distort one's perceptions of beauty and worth. So that's why we say it's important for with Marcus to teach the youth them about being black, young, gifted and black is beauty where Marcus Garvey promotes. So that's why we appreciate what I go on right now in the school, because them teach Marcus Garvey to the youth them, so that's a good plus, that's a plus to the youth them in Jamaica. You understand? One's perception of beauty. They must say, you know, from your brown and yeah. So just like how all at the same, hey, look here, you know, say at the same thing, even the court dealer, yeah man, the court dealer, Buju Banton been through on them thing there. The algorithm, I like when they say nothing about him in a car, true, them man align with Lord Evil. I tell you, yeah man, you can't, you know why you say nothing about him, man. You say nothing about him, then just yeah man, they just kick you out of the algorithm and kick you in our next lane. I tell you, you come like a snail on the internet. I just say it go, but hey, we still there on them thing there, you know, you understand what I'm saying? So for an artist like Vybz Kartel, whose image plays a significant role in his career, the desire to fit this idealized standard could have driven him to bleach his skin. So man go upon a personal reinvention. Artists often undergo physical transformation as a part of their evolving image and brand. For Kartel, skin bleaching might have been an attempt to reinvent himself and stand out in the competitive dancehall scene. So that's why I've said the boy, but teacher the bleacher. Hey boy, hey, that one not easy the Rasta. So this change could have been a bold statement to garner attention and mainstream relevance. Unclear motivations, despite speculation, Kartel has not provided a definitive reason for his decisions to lighten his skin. So this leaves room for various interpretation, but highlights the complexities and personal nature of such a decision. Mental health considerations, the decision to alter one's appearance so drastically suggests more profound psychological struggles. It may reflect issues of self-esteem, identity and acceptance. Because true Kartel black and them same look like monkey. You know, I might try to change from a black one to Virgin, you're not a monkey man, because you're not living in a jungle. Like you're in a forest. You understand? Through the more black people look bad enough. Black people we have jungle and white people have forest. I will them take a jungle, everybody have jungle and them thing. Because wild animal live in the same forest them too. So I don't know what them talk about jungle. Want to say people wild. Everything them, you know, put a negative connotation to black people. That's why him go bleach. Like me, no. No guy can't get me. Me not alter nothing where God give me and them thing there. No tattoo on my skin. Me not blow my ears. Me not plait up my ear. Me not do some things when Mrs. Amanda. I feel them things still do, you know. You understand? Yeah. The only thing, boy, maybe I'm gonna try to bore you, but him says, boy, trims done ugly already. Now I gotta help him and enhance him. So him just work with the bleaching and the tattoo. And then them just give him the grave disease. So the societal and media pressure combined with personal insecurities can significantly impact on individuals' mental health, leading them to take extreme measures to feel better about themselves. It's crucial to recognize that darker skin is beautiful and valuable. Many successful and influential black men proudly embrace their dark skin tones, challenging the harmful narratives of colorism. Instead of succumbing to these pressures, celebrating and uplifting diverse beauty standards can foster a healthier, more inclusive society. While Vybz Kartel's skin bleaching might have given him temporary satisfaction or a perceived competitive edge, it's essential to question whether it brought him happiness or merely exacerbating underlying insecurities. So this discussion underscores the need for a broader cultural shift toward genuine self-acceptance and dismantling colorist ideals. So remember, say even Rasta, used to promote, say black is beauty, and you understand, and tell them, and Rasta used to tell me, say, oh, the reason why we're black is because we're great and a God chose we and all of these things. Nothing negative Rasta used to teach you and everything, but right now, well, we not say Rasta dead because you still have good Rasta out there. Because we talked to a man named Everton Blender the other day and everything there. And people keep asking, boy, I want to hear it and everything there. I just saw it go, no worry and everything there. We talk with the man they are a real Rasta man. They tell you, yeah man. And that's why we tell you every day if you listen to one of Everton Blender, I tell you, say, yeah, some people are about, boy, anytime you talk, sometimes you not even finish a sentence. Then look here, we just be ourselves, you know. We're not down a court to testify. Because with a court to testify, we have to just stay, yeah, this is not a courthouse where we're just like we're arguing robots. We talk to the people like say we have a conversation. We're in a court where we are, you understand, we are impressing a jury for, you understand, for me them say, no, we talk, we have a conversation. So that's why we are telling you, so like a man like all Everton Blender, when you listen to all them song them, man, me I tell you, say them give you chills. Yeah, man, me I tell you, hey, you know, I wish when I sang nice, Ghetto People Anthem. I great, yeah, man. Bob Marley, I great is still doing it, but we I tell you, say, Everton Blender, that the song, they were wicked. Yeah, man. And lift up your head and hold it up high. The man do some nice song, man. So, Rasta no dead, you know. And them man, they proud of them, them man, they proud of them complexion, them man, they black. And love being black. Oh, you understand? But guess what? As Rasta say, black people, you know, black people are some of the weirdest people, you know. Anything with positive, you know, they make fun and laugh off it, you know. Laugh, yeah, man. Them embrace it. Cause remember, say Marcus Garvey wasn't. Them never embrace Marcus Garvey, you know. Why them get all pit for stone all the man after the man they got prison. And see it? And who is over a century him dead and him still hey, Marcus Garvey done saying all the time him dead and gone, you know, man. Him go like a whirlwind, you know. Yeah, man, so black is beauty, man. Love being black. Me love myself. Me nah, you understand? Me a straight black man. You understand? So, you know, so as we continue this thing you know, about Sean Paul and why the reason why Kartel start bleaching him skin. You understand? So them say this is what, you know, so so do you think skin tone play a role in Sean Paul and Vybz Kartel's success? That's the way, you know, some people, you know, ask. You know, some people are asked that. So Sean Paul might have been one of the reasons why Vybz Kartel start bleaching his skin just over a decade ago. That was before him got prison. It's no secret that Vybz Kartel and Sean Paul have never seen eye to eye when it comes to who wears the crown of King of Dancehall. Yes! So, yeah, nothing being a man and them guy that can't go near Sean Paul. Sean Paul, we don't care about no guy, no guy come from the ghetto. Sean Paul is not a bad mind. Sean Paul is a bad mind. Being a man is a straight bad mind boy. Yeah, man. Sean Paul is not a bad mind brother and them thing there. And them man, the art even more cleaner than all. Hey, being a man, I'm like a dirty boy. And I all owe me, yeah, man, I mean, he owe me my money and pay me all now. You know, the 30-year-old corals and borrow my money. I hold it for money that, you know, my $400, you know. And I pay him back my money, you know. You understand? Hey, you should have glad to me, I don't like Vybz Kartel, you know, because Vybz Kartel play with people, you know, me I tell you, you know. Yeah, as you cross him, you know, him saying, you hit departure lounge. I saw him steam, I caroused, you know. But you don't know we love people and them thing, that you understand? So it now, so the competition now, you understand? So him now want to say, oh, boy, he might get your youth and he might king of the dancehall. Sean Paul, he might not a contest with no guy, and Sean Paul, you know, can't look here now, between me and you, whether or not, and Kartel not, you know this, Sean Paul have an uncle, he said that special branch. The man is to the work, I once been the man in Enriquez. Yeah, man, him and hey, man, Tom live in a Virgin too, you know, that's my role model, you know. Them the man there, you know, when you talk about departure long specialist. The man that orchestrate them thing there, you know. So hey, you say if him did all go all make all no move towards a brother here, Sean Paul, him would know what God him serve. Cause Sean Paul uncle, you know, man. Them the man, you know, who used to that special branch, you know. Them man they make things happen, you know, man. Me I tell you, you know. And all if a police not well, you have to work with them man if you know them man. Them the man there, what? When the man that unspare them thing, man, and them man they call in them office. And them, you understand, man, they all special branch man. Them the man, them know the system work and them thing there. So if Vybz Kartel ever make any move, like how him did a plan, say them want to kill Bounty Killer, any that he ever come out time out, he would have gone long time. Him no know Sean Paul, uncle, Mr. Enriquez. Hey, all police are afraid of that man. Remember me tell you on them thing there, that the white man there. That the man they not talking, man. Hey, the man they are 45, the man they walking, you know. Yeah, man. What? 2 con the man they have, man. 45 and a 9. Remember me tell you, man have one. What? That the man I think, hey, 1 shot, 1 kill, man. Sean Paul uncle. But Enriquez, Sir Enriquez. My boss, man, the man there. But you know, see it. But me don't know. The man there, more or less, me don't know. The man like, the man there. The man never tell me still do, you know, say them up, you know, them political thing, but you understand, but I just saw it as a man that did. You might have enough respect for me and Bobby and them thing there. Them the man there, before you have operation, man, you know, you know, see it. So, moving on. Hey, look here, me have to talk to the people, them, you know. So, some guy about, boy, you can't finish a sentence, son. Boy, yeah, look here. If the people them complain about, if they look here, you want to complain about it and them thing there. Yeah, I'll have to do this in a Patreon and you complain and we'll see it. So in 2016, Billboard called Sean Paul King of Dancehall. Hey, that's supposed to make all Beanie man mad, you know. Yeah, man. A Billboard do that, you know. And Sean Paul say my king a Billboard said that because he was the last, yeah. Because Sean Paul was the last dancehall artist in 2006 to make Billboard with his single Temperature. This led to several big heads in the music industry to comment on the statement. Popular, what name that big mouth brother, him name a popular MC enough immediately said Kartel is the king. I fool that, I dummy that. Because we have some things for all the brother the thing. I'm a rear admiral to, you know, yeah man, him. He added that, what does Billboard know about dancehall that they can say call Sean Paul king? Bad mind that, you know, yeah man, I'm boss a slave that, you know, yeah man. But guess, yeah, Sean Paul is big, yes, but he hasn't reached 11 there yet. You're a fool, man. The man international, bad mind. I saw them stay, you know, bad mind, you know, big old ugly brother here and them thing. Me and the boy there, friend, because I don't mix with corals, you know. Big old ugly boy, in fear of some half dog. So Vybz Kartel is the king and he work for that. Yeah, Vybz Kartel is not king, nothing. Yeah, man, Billboard says Sean Paul is the, yeah, I don't look here. A man like Bounty Killer and the team say nothing. Shabba Ranks come out and say nothing. But this big old half dog I come out say, boy, man, shut him out, man, you understand? So according to SP, former manager Zachary, that a Sean Paul manager, you know, former manager Zachary Harding, Vybz Kartel previously questioned whether or not Sean Paul's international success directly correlated with his lighter skin complexion. So he saw them bad mind. See me I tell you now, so black people, I say the bossy sleeve them stay, you know. So him young as a boy, I go on like say Sean Paul make himself white. Sean Paul never come out and a boss and I say boy I'm white. The man just do him thing and about you know say boy I'm lighter complexion. As God make the man. You understand? So Arden recall at a symposium at Bob Marley Museum last week, Kartel and I had a long conversation and he started to ask what role Sean's brownness play in his success. Arden said the discussion occurred when Vybz Kartel started skin bleaching. so true bad, but you see it. So do you think that Vybz Kartel was strategic even with his skin bleaching? Yes. He was. So Harding has said that he was. And now we are getting a clearer picture of his mindset regarding this controversial topic. Colorism is an issue in our broader society, and many artists locally and internationally struggle with their image and skin tone. In an interview last year, rapper Whale said rappers with lighter skin like Drake have an advantage over darker skin rappers. Sean Paul's skin tone did not play a role in his success. We can all agree that he is one of the most talented dancehall artists ever. When I go say that still though, Sean Paul. Well, Shabba we I go say that about. When I'm a bias where I tell you the truth and them thing there. Yeah, and the reason why we say that and them thing there. Yeah, Shabba ranks, you know, the Grammy kid, Shabba set the stage to everybody. You understand? Yeah. So Sean Paul also managed to tap into international market because he strategically released internationally appealing songs and often collaborates with big international acts like Beyonce, Sia, Dua Lipa and more. Yeah, and Sean Paul do all song in Spanish too, so he have a wide appeal and him man bilingual, so I'm told you think the man let them man they know to market themselves. So an argument can also be made that Vybz Kartel's career grew exponentially after he started bleaching his skin around 2008. Even after his incarceration in 2011, the former Portmore Empire leader remained relevant in dancehall locally and abroad. Do you think skin tone play a role in Sean Paul's and Vybz Kartel's success? Well, maybe Vybz Kartel. Because, hey, look, if a guy go talk all them things, they say a skin tone. No. Look how Shabba black. Look how Shabba black. Skin tone not playing a role. Shabba a black man and it no help him. Because Shabba black, him have this Shabba appeal. Shabba, and look who. Hey, you know, see all that video the other day and them thing with a Shabba. And he's a white man, you know. And they must say, Shabba, you know, make him love girl. And them tell so much girl, you know. You're a white man, you know. I send it to the people, them in a Patreon and them thing there. So Vybz Kartel journey with skin bleaching is not just a personal story, but a commentary on societal influence and the impact of celebrity culture after lightening his skin. Kartel experienced a surge in his fan base and found commercial success by selling cake soap and bleaching creams. Products associated with this new look. And watch it. Sean Paul not do nothing for lower black people self-esteem. Nothing. All him do are just promote. And the man Sean Paul not promote for no woman. You never hear them. Hey, the man they are a real ambassador for the music. Like, you understand what I'm saying? So we give thanks to a man like Sean Paul. So this rise in popularity and financial gain brought him happiness and fulfillment? No, never. However, Kartel's attitude towards his fans became controversial. He openly referred to his followers as sheep, implying that they were unthinkingly following him without critical thoughts, even suggesting that they had low IQ. I don't lie, Mattel. So this derogatory term highlighted his awareness of the influence he wielded and his cynical view of his supporters' devotion. Kartel's success in marketing skin bleaching products underscored the troubling reality of how deeply ingrained colorism and media influence are in society. His followers, eager to emulate their idol, bought into the idea that lighter skin would bring them closer to his success and recognition, dummy them. So this narrative raises essential questions about self-esteem, identity, and responsibilities of public figures. While Kartel might have found happiness in his expanded fan base and commercial success, the ethical implications of his actions are significant. Exploiting societal insecurities for profit, particularly by promoting harmful products, is a critical issue that needs addressing. So Vybz Kartel now no morals, nothing about him, man. He not care about them, He must exploit them for financial gain. So that's why him have them out there and them thing there tell them, say boy, if a bleach and cake soap. You never hear him say boy, oh, him are the sheep and him are the shepherd and them are sheep. Yeah, and him just say boy, cake soap, and him just start sell it. Have all them picture and them thing upon the cake soap, you know, and people are bite, you know. Me say all a woman, a big woman, she and her daughter with a big old yeah, you mean, a big old sour self out the door, and she not have on no clothes. And me I say, oh that, oh her mother make all her daughter see her and all. No self-esteem, desensitized. You understand? Vybz Kartel get the people them not even have no respect for themselves, mother and daughter. You understand? Man, hey, may I tell you, all big old man you see a bleach. How that? Illiteracy at its best. You understand? Boy, I mean, I tell you, and just because he make money out of it, he did not care. So in the broader context, Kartel story is a stark reminder of power dynamics in celebrity culture, and it led to which individuals will go to achieve and maintain status. It is also called for re-evaluating societal standards of beauty and success, advocating for a more inclusive and empowering narrative that celebrates diversity and promotes genuine self-acceptance. So when a man eat himself and him thing, there's nothing that you can do to help him, because him already get messed up. And I just that with Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel is a man full of self-hatred, and that's why him bleach. If him did love himself and him thing as a black man, no, you no bleach. So we give thanks and heal up Sean Paul, you understand? Yeah, him them say I king of dancehall then. And we're not going to take that from him not because of white people give him, you know, but Sean Paul, him do good things in culture because Sean Paul no promotes negativity. You understand? Yeah, we can't, you know, in good conscience, we cannot say Sean Paul is for the destruction of black people. Yeah. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel, out.